Today is Saturday, March 8th, and today I learned that at the end of the day, it's all on you. What you're deciding to do with your time and your life. I don't know, today I kind of just really struggled with doing what I need to do, even though I had lots of time to do it. Like, it was a Saturday, didn't have much to do, but I still procrastinated it for some reason because I knew I'd be able to get it done. But now I'm like sitting here, it's almost midnight, and I'm like regretting my decisions, right? And it's just so frustrating because so often we are not thinking of future us, but we're thinking of present us, and we're thinking in the short term, right? But really, you have to think about future you, and like, are you setting future you up for success? Or are you setting present you up for success, you know? Short-term versus long-term success. I've talked about all these things before, but it's just so hard to apply them. And you just need to have the presence of mind, and you just need to have you have to want it enough to stop doing these bad things, to stop procrastinating, to stop, wasting your time. It's crazy because, like, you don't even need to watch videos or anything like that to know what's good for you, right? It's pretty obvious that, having a good sleep schedule, getting your things done on time, doing things when you say you're going to do them, it's pretty obvious what things are good for you and what things you should be doing, but then we still don't do them. And it's all just because we are prioritizing ourselves and prioritizing our present self rather than anything else. And there's so many things wrong with that. Like, first of all, you shouldn't even be prioritizing yourself because, like, it talks about in the Bible, deny yourself, and you're supposed to love God and love others, right? But also, like, we're prioritizing ourselves in the worst way. We're prioritizing ourselves, and we're prioritizing ourselves like our present selves rather than our future selves, because I'd rather prioritize my future self than my present self, because if I'm prioritizing my future self, I'm not procrastinating, I'm not wasting my time, and I'm just doing what I need to do when I need to do that, so that future me is not stressed and is not messing up your sleep schedule and it's not doing all these things wrong, right? So it's kind of like a hierarchy. We're constantly doing the worst part, which is prioritizing our present self. But if anything, prioritize your future self, right? But then even above that, like, we need to be prioritizing God and others, like, love God and love others, right? It's just so hard to do. It's so hard to take action on that, and it is a constant struggle. And I don't know if it'll ever be like conclusive. Like, I don't think I can ever fully get rid of procrastination and like not being useful to your time and like all that kind of stuff. Like, it's not like you can just completely eliminate that from your life. I don't think there's many things that you can do that with. A lot of times things come back in our lives for whatever reason, but every time they come back, it is an opportunity for you to do the right thing. And it's like one of my favorite illustrations in Atomic Habits, the book, is just like every decision is a vote casted for the type of person that you are becoming, right? So, like, if you procrastinate, that's a vote casted for the type of the version of you that is procrastinating, is wasting time and all that kind of thing. But every new opportunity is a new opportunity to cast a vote for the person that you actually want to become, right? It's just so hard to apply, and it's a constant struggle, and that's kind of just what I've been struggling with today. And hopefully if you did too, this is kind of like a wake up call for both of us, and tomorrow we can get back up, right? Go through another day, be grateful for another day, and just try to make it a little bit better than today, right? That's honestly what I'm just trying to do, trying to make tomorrow better than today, or rather today better than yesterday. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, I know it's a short one, not as much value, but it's what I learned today. And the ups and downs of these videos, but at least I'm consistent. But yeah, I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and how I'm trying to apply it to my life, and how you guys can apply it to yours. So if you want to see those kinds of videos, then definitely subscribe. I would love a like and a comment if you have any thoughts. This is the video that I posted yesterday where I talked about how it's not all about you. You need to be celebrating life, celebrating others, and stuff like that. So that's in the corner. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.